Are you thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico? Well, in this video, we're gonna tour the area of Las Alturas. It's a beautiful area that is closer to the mountains, okay? Las Alturas Community is actually, or the area is south of the Tell Shore area. You have I-10, which is pretty close, and you have I-25 if you're heading north up to like Albuquerque, TRC, the spaceport. It's all up there up on 25 heading north. Also, from the mall, you're probably about 8 minutes. From the Memorial Medical Center, a hospital, you're probably about 7 minutes. Also, this area of Las Alturas also has a beautiful golf course. If you're into golf, this is another spot here in Las Cruces, New Mexico, so you can play some golf. Okay guys, stick around to the end because I will share with you where I'm at here. So if you're ever out and about and you want to visit, you can come and visit. Let's go see the home. Is this the first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Then subscribe below, tap the bell for notification, and be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar, my wife is Tanya. We get calls and emails from people just like you thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 1 week or 12 weeks, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. All right, guys, we are here at Las Alturas, okay? Beautiful, beautiful area. Let me show you just a little bit. You're out in the desert. We have beautiful, beautiful landscaping of the desert here. I'll show you the mountains right now. Beautiful view mountains right over there. Okay, I'll get closer up. But anyways, let's go ahead and feature our first home here in Las Alturas. Now remember, most of these homes, since they're way out, and not way out, but maybe like from downtown 5, maybe 10-15 minutes, depending on where you live here in Las Alturas, it does go out towards the mountain. So it's a little drive once over there, but maybe like 15 minutes. But this home now that we're going to feature is here in Las Alturas, and it's actually listed for $479,000. Okay, it has 1,189 square feet, built in 1997. Okay, now this home does have a 2-car garage. I can show you over here, and I love the way the driveway is. You can just come in and go into the garage, and then you can come out, either go through the garage right into the house or come out through the front, which has a beautiful view. Now this does have the mountain views here. If you sit down and just the front door, you can see that. You can see the mountains right over there. It does sit on 1 acre, so that's beautiful. You have plenty of space if you do want to add more, like something bigger, a bigger garage, or whatever you like. Maybe even separate little home as well, little casita. You can do that as well. You would have to ask the county, but I understand that you would be able to. So let's talk about the house. The house, as you can see, does have large windows. It does have a lot of natural light. And in the living room, it has crown molding, really nice. So you can see that feature in the living room. In the living room as well, you do have wood flooring. Every other place is tile, and the rooms do have carpet. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Okay, and it has a good size shower, also a tub so you can relax in there. The kitchen has skylights. There's some skylights as well, so you have a lot of natural light. So this home does have a lot going for it. $479,000. Okay, that's what this home is. And once again, it is over here in Las Alturas, and it does feature a lot of nice desert landscaping, as you can see this way. Okay, why don't we take a quick drive through the community so we can see, if you did live here, what the views are. All right, let's go. All right, guys, on the while I was doing the drive, I actually spoke to one of the neighbors. You can probably see him heading back. But one of the reasons says he loves to live here is because of how quiet it is. You're not from, you're 5 minutes, 10 minutes away from the actual city. So to get groceries, it's not even a problem because he can just drive out there. And he loves the view of the mountains. Let me show you the view of the mountains. And there's a neighbor over there walking home. So anyways, I just wanted to tell you what he said about the area. He really loves it. I mean, he's been here for more than 20 years. So anyways, let's go to the next house. Okay, guys, we are here at our next home in Las Alturas. I drove from the previous house about 3.5 miles southeast to get to this second home. It is actually it's like a little community out here closer to the mountains, a little farther from Las Cruces, and it's called Tierra Escondida, the hidden land, translated. Okay, so now this next home, let me show you, it's in there in a gated community, as you can see, but as well, you can see back there, the mountains, beautiful mountains, okay? Now, the house actually is listed for $575,000 and it has around 2,625 square feet, built in 2017. So this is a newer home, not brand new, but it is a newer home compared to a lot of the homes out in Las Cruces. Now it does have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and it does have a 2-car garage. And I'll zoom in a little better so you can see the houses out there. And as you see the house, you're going to be able to see the mountains as well. The uniqueness about this house is that the ductwork of the air conditioning is actually exposed ductwork. So it has like an industrial feel throughout the house because of that industrial ductwork, the exposed ductwork, that goes through the house. I also have, which I like, it's a cool feature, an overhead garage door that actually opens to the patio, so you can relax and sit outside and enjoy the view. We have a lot of sunshine here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. This is actually, we're in October and it is still hot, but the weather is fantastic right now. The home does have quartz countertops. The primary bedroom has a double sink, has a separate tub, those nice walk-in showers, all tiled. Really, really beautiful home. It does also have, it's a split floor plan, which it's a guest bedroom that has a full bathroom with a separate entrance as well. Okay, let's get a closer view of this area over here. Let's go take a drive. Okay, guys, we are at our last home here. I'm loving the views out here, loving the views. Okay, well, this next home is listed around $289,000. It sits a little higher, so you have spectacular view of the mountain once again here in Las Alturas Community. This is the home that I am talking about, built this year, 2023. It has around 3,400 square feet, and it's a 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Now, the features of this house is that it does have rustic beams in the living room. It has also a mud room. The main bedroom does have a steam shower. Primary bedroom, there's double sinks, beautiful granite countertops everywhere, custom cabinets in the kitchen. The outside area, since you do have the back view, you see the mountains back there. So when you're in back of the house, you have the beautiful view of the mountains. There is a grilling area on a large covered patio, and it is a wraparound. It also has security cameras, so you can be safe and secure. It does sit on almost 2 acres, so it's a 1.99. Okay, let me try to zoom in over there on the mountains. There are the mountains right there. Okay, and this is the house, so your view is truly exceptional. And let me close out. Here's some of the houses around. We're gonna take a quick drive, okay? And that way we can see more of the area. Hey guys, so as I was doing the drive, I met one of the neighbors. This is a neighbor. I actually would like to ask him why he likes to live in the area of Las Alturas.
It's peaceful, it's calm. You're out close to hiking trails, and so that you can go out and hike all you want. It's just a very peaceful community, and plus Las Cruces is just a very peaceful town as well.
Thank you so much. And our buddy right here, what's his name? Nacho. Hey Nacho. Hey boy. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for the interview. You have a good day. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys for sticking around to the end. Hopefully you've enjoyed the area of Las Alturas, and we are at a park. Yes, it's actually a park. It's called Tailbrook Park. It's a small park. Now what this does have is it has actual, you can walk, it's a trail, walking trail. You want to play basketball right there. Beautiful trees behind you, right? Want to do a little picnic right here. Look at this, picnic in this nice little grass area. You can do that as well. You just want to come walk the dogs. You just want to come meditate and think about life, right? You can sit down and enjoy that too as well. And here is the trail right behind me, guys. There's a trail. Right, let me see if I can go like this. This is the trail that'll take you for a nice walk, right? That'll take you, and you can walk all around. Okay, so guys, if you are coming out to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and you just want to visit, look at my videos. You'll see nice places to go and visit as you're coming out here to Las Cruces, New Mexico. However, if you are thinking about moving to Las Cruces, then you know what to do. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. If you guys have any comments, I'm trying to better my videos, please let me know. I really love that interview with the gentleman. He actually was super nice. His name was Kevin, and one of the neighbors that lives out there in Las Alturas. So I really appreciate that he actually took the time to come out on the video and say the reason why he loves the community or the area of Las Alturas. All right guys, well you can see, it's a beautiful place out here just to come out, enjoy nature, walk your dogs. Simply you just want to come out, get out of the hustle and the bustle of Las Cruces, which really there isn't much. But anyways, you can come out here and enjoy a nice walk. All right guys, thank you for seeing the videos. We'll see you on the next one.